Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable login with password online. So the first thing you do is you open up your lineup and then you tap on on the gear icon, that's the gear settings at the top right corner, to open up your settings. Then tap on account and then you scroll down to pair a new device, allow login, turn it on. So this will allow you to log into your line account on other devices such as PC, smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. If this is not turned on, you'll not be able to turn the next option on, which is login with password. So now that if you don't turn this on, can you see this will not be allowed? That's why you have to turn allow login on first, so you can turn on or off login with password. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to enable login with password online app. Thanks for watching.